Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to make your desktop nice and tidy in like 2 seconds, okay? Maybe your desktop looks like mine. Maybe you're tired of it being all clunky and you don't have time to organize it. One thing I've done in the past is I've always just like, once it gets like this, I throw all this crap in a folder and label it old stuff, and it ends up just sitting there. I think, oh, eventually I'll go through it and throw away the stuff I don't need, but I'm afraid to throw it away because what if I do need something in there? Anyways, if you're like me, your desktop gets very cluttered. Well, in the new Mac OS, in the new Mac operating system 14, Sonoma, you can now do this with the click of a button. Okay, you can organize this so your desk looks nice and tidy. Here's how it works. You click on the desktop. You right click on the desktop. I apologize. You hold Control. If you have a mouse that will right click, you can just right click on empty space on the desktop. If not, hold Control on your keyboard and click on the desktop. And you'll see this option here. Use stacks. Watch this. Boom. It organizes them into stacks. Now there's a couple ways you can organize this. Click Control again, click the desktop. Group by stacks. You can do it by kind. So right now it's organized by file types: images, screenshots, other, audio, movies, spreadsheets. It's grouped by file types. You can group it by who shared it. You can group it by when it was last opened, when it was added, when it was modified. Group it by when it was created, or you can group it by tags. Okay? What are tags? Let me show you. Control on the desktop. Let's quit using stacks. Any file on your computer. Let's just pick a random screenshot. You can right click on that or hold Control and click, and you can scroll down here and you can add tags. So if you're organized enough to put tags with your files, TMH for Teach Mom How. Okay. Then you can also color code them if you like to. Let's add that tag. Let's add that tag to a few items. Okay. Control click. Add a tag. Okay. TMH. There we go. Okay, now when I right click or control click on the desktop and I choose use stacks, now I can sort them by the tags. Okay, there's all my Teach Mom How stuff. So anything I tagged with Teach Mom How ends up in one stack. Okay, so there's a quick and easy way. It's a new feature, at least I didn't know about it until recently. It's a new feature on macOS Sonoma to, within the click of a button, organize your desktop so it's not so cluttered. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to Teach Mom How. I put out new content on how to videos all the time. Have a great day.